Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today I'm going to cook these stuffed Italian long peppers. You will need Italian long peppers, prosciutto, cheese, a tray that goes into the oven, cutting board, and knife. I have washed the Italian long peppers and I'm going to cut lengthwise. You have to clean the seeds carefully, but please, then you have to wash your hands very well, and also you can wear gloves if you want. Here I have the cheeses and the prosciutto. I'm going to cut the prosciutto into strips. Now I'm going to grab the cheese diagonally because Italian peppers are long, and then I'm going to grab the prosciutto strips this way around the cheese. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying this recipe. Then we are gonna stuff the Italian long peppers. They are not too spicy, just a little, okay? Don't worry. In a tray I put olive oil, but it's not necessary. We will take it to the oven at temperature you see on the screen. And this is the final result. You can eat them with silverwares or with your hands. They are delicious, a little bit spicy and juicy. You will love this recipe. She's Candy, my cotton de Tuliar. She's with me on Wednesdays in my recipes, but she has her own videos every Saturdays. Please guys, subscribe, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. Bye bye!